Good morning, everyone. I am Kajal ma'am and I am back. Before starting the session, don't forget to mark your attendance. I hope you all are enjoying the story Wonderful Waste. So, let's recap what we have done in the last class. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand feast in his palace. So, in the afternoon, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey what dishes had been prepared for the feast. He then saw the vegetable scraps lying down in a basket. He asked the cook what was he going to do with those vegetable scraps. The cook replied, saying that he is going to throw them away, since it is a waste. On hearing this, Maharaja sternly commanded him to find out a way to use them. The cook was in a fix, and he kept on staring at the scraps. An idea came up in his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Now let's see what is he going to prepare out of vegetable scraps. Now children, I am going to read all the paragraphs. As I am going to read the paragraphs, I am going to also explain it to you. So listen to me very carefully. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. So, children, Maharaja had told the cook to prepare a dish out of vegetable scraps. He cleaned and washed them well. Then he cut them into the long strips. He put them in a large pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. So, to add flavor to the dish, he grounded some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic and added that paste to the dish. Without salt, the dish is not tasty. So, he also added salt to the cooking vegetable. Now, let's see what he does further. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now, he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. When he added the paste of fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic, a tempting smell started coming from the pot. Then he added whipped curd and poured few spoonfuls of coconut oil. And then he decorated the dish with which leaves? Yes, curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guest that evening. And what a surprise! The new dish was ready. It was really tasty and delicious. He served this new dish to the guest that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the dish. The cook thought and thought. Then the name came to his mind. He named it Avial. As the cook was very delicious and tasty, the guests were eager to know the name of the dish. The cook named it as Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. Children, as Puran Poli is a traditional dish of Maharashtra and Undhiyu is a traditional dish of Gujarat, Dal Bati, traditional dish of Rajasthan. Likewise, Avial is a traditional dish of Kerala. And just imagine, it all came from the basket of waste. So, did you understood how the avial is prepared? Would you like to prepare the avial? Tell your mother to prepare this dish for you. Now let's see the recipe of avial. First of all, you have to wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Then you have to cut it into small strips. Then you have to put them in a huge pot and place it on fire to cook. Then you have to add paste of coconut, green chilies and garlic and keep on stirring it. Then add whipped curd and mix it well. Pour some coconut oil on top and garnish it with curry leaves. In this way, you can prepare avial. Tell your mother to prepare this tasty dish for you. Now, let us see the new words along with its meaning. Ground, reduce something to powder by crushing. Ground, reduce something to powder by crushing. Tempting, mouth-watering. Tempting, mouth-watering. Lo and behold, look, what a surprise. Lo and behold, look, what a surprise. Traditional feast. Hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. Traditional feast. Hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. Let's recap all the words of this chapter along with its meaning. Command, to give someone an order. Command, to give someone an order sternly in a way that shows disapproval. In a way that shows disapproval. In a fix, in a difficult situation. In a fix, in a difficult situation. Staring at, to look at something for a long time. Staring at, to look at something for a long time. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Survey, look closely or examine. Survey, look closely or examine. Feast is a huge delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. Feast is a huge delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. Scrape, a small piece or amount of something especially one that is left over after the greater part has been used. Scrape a small piece or amount of something, especially one that is left over after the greater part has been used. So children, you found out all the answers which I had asked you in the last class. Would the dish be tasty? Yes, the dish was very tasty. Will the guest enjoy eating the new dish of vegetable bits? Yes, they enjoyed eating it. Now, can you remember this? Yes, these are the 3 R's of waste management. Recycle, reduce, reuse. The cook reused the vegetable bits and made a new dish out of it. Now, in the last class, I had asked you the question, what does your mother do with the excess food left over? Now, let's find out how leftover food is used. Leftover food is not a waste. Your mother can use that food to make new dishes, or you can give it to the stray animals or birds. Children, do you know some of the restaurants donate leftover food to a food bank or distribute it in the slum area? Have you ever seen this logo? No, you have not seen it. It is a logo of the Robin Hood Army. The Robin Hood Army is a volunteer-based organization that works to get leftover food from restaurants and the community to serve less fortunate people. Children, after a party or celebration, lot of food is left. So don't throw it away. You can just give a call to the Robin Hood Army. They come to your place and collect that food. And when you do this, it makes us feel happy. So children, what we have learned from this lesson? Waste is quite useful. It is just how we use it. So children, do not waste food. This is the lesson what we have learned from this chapter. Now, it's time to take a leave. We'll meet you in the next class. Have a good day.